Hello student, welcome to all. Today we will do our poem I'm Lucky, Unit 2. In this poem, the poet is a child who is expressing to be what she is. The girl thinks if she were any other creature, she would be happy and thankful to God for everything she had in her life. But in the end of the poem, she thinks she is lucky for what she is. So let's start the poem. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. In these lines, the girl is dreaming to be a butterfly as it can fly with its wing. यहाँ पे गर्ल सोचती है कि अगर मैं बटरफ्लाई होती और मेरे विंग्स होते तो मैं फ्लाई कर पाती. If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. Here, the meaning of manna is name of a bird. She is dreaming to be a manna as it can sing in a sweet voice. यहाँ पे गर्ल सोचती है कि अगर मैं मैना होती तो मेरी आवाज़ कितनी सुंदर होती. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. Here, the meaning of wriggle and giggle, move around, and glee means joy, fun. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. In these lines, the girl is dreaming to be a fish as it can swim in the water without any help. A girl wants to be a fish because it can move here and there without any help. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. Here the meaning of raise is uplift means उठाना और trunk का मतलब होता है हाथी की सूंड. In English, very long nose that is used to lift food and water to its mouth. Elephant's trunk. Okay. In these lines, the girl is dreaming to be an elephant as it can raise its trunk and it enjoys playing with water. यहाँ पे गर्ल सोचती है कि अगर मेरी हाथी जैसी सूंड होती तो मैं भी अपनी सूंड उठा के पानी गिराती और पानी से खेलती. If I were kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. In these lines, she is dreaming to be a kangaroo because she wants to hop to reach to the moon in the sky. यहाँ पे गर्ल सोचती है कि अगर मैं कैंगारू होती तो मैं जंप करते करते मून पे चली जाती. Here the meaning of hop is jump. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. Students, you know that an octopus has 8 legs and lives in the sea. In these lines, the girl is dreaming to be an octopus and she would be thankful for its 8 arms. So, just think, I'm lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you? In these lines, the girl is thinking that she is lucky to be herself, not any other creature. Then she is excited to know whether we also want to be like her or like someone else, or we want to be like ourselves. Here, I have completed this poem. Bye-bye.